Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, so for today we'll be talking about Fortified Shampoo, who to use it, who not to use it. So stay tuned and watch this entire video. Boom. Okay, now you might be asking, Nisha, what is Fortified Shampoo? Fortified is to make strong, you know, rebuilding back again. And you might say, Nisha, can it come back? It depending on the scalp and the level of loss. So what Fortified Shampoo does, it's for the thinning of the hair. It helps to refresh the hair, help the scalp, the hair shaft, and so on and so on. If your hair is thick and bouncy, you do not need to use Fortified Shampoo. Alright? Just leave it to those who need it. Fortified Shampoo restores strength and sometimes add moisture. So just as if you'll have a counter shampoo that will add volume and moisture, the same thing here with Fortified Shampoo. It is good for damaged hair that needs strengthened as well, and even fine hair. So you notice your hair is in and out, yeah, and the scalp, it's thinning. Those braids or weaves, whatever you're doing, or maybe in the family, you need to understand that the hair, the importance of it, and please don't take it for granted. Can I use castor oil while I'm using Fortified Shampoo? Of course you can. You can use castor oil because some of these shampoo also contain castor oil, and there are other natural remedies that you can use. I have videos like that. You can search for them down there in the chat, but I will link to this, make it easier for you. What you think? So you might say, Nisha, I'm losing my hairline. Do I need Fortified Shampoo? No, you don't need Fortified Shampoo. It's excessive loss. So yes, you'd have to do a consultation with me or any professional, and then they will take it from there. You might say, Nisha, how do I use Fortified Shampoo? Same like regular shampoo, you know, you have to damp the hair, wet the hair before you go ahead and proceed. The same step. There I give you some tips. You can always write them down or pause the video, go through it, and of course look and see. And you might say, Nisha, okay, what are the best? There I've given you some of the best there, but my favorite of all is Cremination. And everyone is different when it comes on to what you use for your body, your skin, your hair. But before you even think about getting the shampoo, please deal with the exterior things first, like your towels. Make sure they're cotton. Make sure the combs, if you have combs, if the teeth, if they are missing any teeth at all, you need to throw that away. The brush, the bristle, if it bend, you need to discard it. Those are the things that can stop your hair growth. You might say, Nisha, how? Remember, each bristle made for a specific strand. You might not know that, but yes, the manufacturer makes sure that happens. Yes, so pay attention. And now for the scalp. When your hair is thinning, you need to pay attention to the root, the hair follicles. Get a magnifying glass, get someone look for you and tell you, because once the root is, you lose the hair bulb from there, I bet you more damage, harder, more difficult to repair. So catch it before it's too late. Yes, you have to, because when you're using these shampoo and then you might say, Nisha, okay, I've been using these shampoos, I'm not seeing any change at all. Speak to a specialist. You can see a dermatologist, you can see a trichologist, you can even see you have hairdressers out there who are capable of angling such cases, so you guys can also visit them. Do not wait until it's too late to take care of your hair. Male, this video is also for you, and even the children too can lose their hair at a very young age, especially if it is in the bloodline. We need to make sure that we're eating properly, we're having adequate rest, and we're also having our water intake. Water intake and vitamin is very essential for hair growth as well. And yes guys, yes, see it here. I said it earlier, I said it earlier. Pay attention to your hair. Don't ignore that bald spot. Pay attention to your scalp. It's very important. You feel like something is going on and you don't like what is happening, you're seeing more than one patches, you need to take it in hand before it's too late. Because the older you get, the more difficult it is to fix. Yes, of course. Now on to the last one here. Of course, Dove is a very good one, as anyone else, not anyone else, but any other shampoo there that you have seen. So you can choose. If you are a Dove fan, then you can go ahead and look into Dove. Now, because Tresemme does not make a fortified shampoo, I'm a big fan of Tresemme. Yes, I'm a very, very huge fan. They have a lot of good products there in the shampoo area. When I say shampoo service include the conditioner, all right? Yes, you don't wash here, you wash clothes and plate. Shampoo service, shampoo techniques. Also, when you have bald spot, you need to massage. You need oils, essential oils such as rosemary, peppermint, and don't forget that good old coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, all those oil, and of course pimento seed. Watch that video there. So the treatment, to fix it, catch it early. You have to catch it from an early age, and then or early stage, not age, yes, and you will have better results. Don't use a wig to cover it, or don't use those techniques. Fix it now before it's too late. In order for you to have healthy hair, you have to take care of the inside as well as the outside. All right, so take your supplements, of course, your vitamins, all of those things, take them. Pay attention to your hair. You don't have time, you need to make time for your hair. So now we're going to go through our shout outs now. Thank you very much for watching, and welcome to Nisha James TV, of course, again. And I'll be live on Sunday at 4 p.m. Jamaican time. Watch out now for the shout out. Boom, bang, bang. Alright guys, Thursday was games night, and of course Renzi, she parties as always. She's a phenomenal supporter. Guys, go over our channel, check her out. She can turn rags into riches, yes, and set up them little spaces they wanna have, wanna use them. Leave her a like, leave her a meaningful comment, and subscribe to our channel. What are you waiting for? Yes, man, go learn one and two things, alright? And of course, for the nation, you don't know she unbox things over there and beer something. Go over there and watch out her video. Of course, give her a meaningful comment, like, and give her some love by subscribing. Yes, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. We come to an end, and of course, check me out Sunday at 4 p.m. for my live Jamaican time. Bye.